Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sasha, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get fuller, thicker looking eyebrows using literally a bar of soap. This is called the soap brow method, and it's pretty life-changing if you've never tried it. Especially if you have thinner eyebrows, you can totally fake it and make them look a lot thicker than they actually are. I first heard of this technique right here on YouTube from PIXIWOO. I'm going to link her video below, but I was blown away and amazed the first time I saw it, and now using soap is a huge part of my routine, and I use it all the time on my clients, on models that I work with. So today I'm going to take you guys through my entire brow routine using the bar of soap and my regular brow products together. If you guys are interested in learning the soap brow method, then keep on watching. All right, so let's talk about the products that you're going to need really quickly. So first is your bar of soap, and make sure that it's clear glycerin soap. This is from Whole Foods. And next you're going to need a spoolie or a mascara wand. These are actually not that easy to find. You can't really get them at a drugstore or at a Sephora. I order mine from Amazon, and I buy them in bulk because I am a makeup artist. So you can get them on Amazon. And then last is your brow product. So whatever you use, I use a brow pencil and a brow gel. All right, so I'm going to take my spoolie, and normally I would recommend that you run this under water or that you dip this in like a glass of water, but I'm lazy AF, and what I do is actually take my rose water spray and I spray it on the mascara wand. And I really get that nice and wet. I wouldn't recommend using anything else like a makeup setting spray or anything like that because it's too tacky and it's not going to work. This method is meant to be used with water, so I definitely recommend water if you can. Also, this is where I keep my bar of soap. I keep it in this Muji case, and I also keep my mascara wand in there so everything's ready to go when I'm getting ready. So what I do is I either spray my mascara wand with the water, or I spray my soap and get the soap really nice and wet, and then take my mascara wand and try to get as much soap in there. So now I'm just going to start brushing my hairs up, and immediately your hair should be standing. I really like to take my time with this and make sure that I'm getting every single hair. I could literally be doing this forever. I spend way too much time on my eyebrows. People always talk about how they're late because of their wing liner. Well, I'm late because of my eyebrows. I could do this all day, every day. They look a little crazy right now, but that's okay because what you really want to do is just make sure that all the hairs are standing. And from there, you can start to tame down any hairs that you feel are a little too crazy. Now, I still have a lot of soap in my mascara wand, so I'm just going to take my spray and pretty much activate the soap again. Another method that I like to do is backcomb the hairs. So instead of combing it in the direction that they should go, you're going to do it the opposite way. And what this is going to do is coat every single hair with the soap, and yes, it's going to look super crazy, but from there, once you have the product in there, you can totally manipulate it and shape it to how you want. Pro tip that I have for you guys: if you are someone that gets your eyebrows waxed, make sure that they don't cut off too much on top here, because that's what's going to give you that length when you brush up, and that's what's going to give you the appearance of fuller brows, even though your brows are thin. So when I get my eyebrows waxed, I always tell them to just not touch the top, because what they usually love to do is just trim the hair here and make it shorter, but that is actually going to cause your eyebrows to look thinner. And if you're doing the soap brow method, you're not going to have those little hairs standing up that you want. This part is what's going to give you that length. So just a little tip for you guys. So now that I have the soap in my brows, what I like to do is move on to my brow routine. If your brows are still wet from the water, then you want to wait until it's dry. So what I do is I move on to another area of my face and I do my makeup, and then I come back to it about 5 minutes later. And when I fill in my brows, I always fill them in the direction that they're growing. So I do little tiny strokes to mimic little hairs. And for me, I always love extending the tail of my brow. All right, so now I have my brows filled with my eyebrow pencil. I filled in my eyebrows with the NYX MICROBROW pencil in Ash Brunette. I swear this is a dupe to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. This and the one by CoverGirl are really, really great if you're looking for a dupe to Brow Wiz. And now I'm going to finish it off with a colored brow gel. This is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in Brunette. And I'm just going to apply this over everything that we did. And this is my favorite step because I feel like this is when my brows really come to life. Look at this compared to this. This is just the clear soap and my brows filled in a little bit. And this is them with the NYX Brow Mascara in Brunette. So there you go. Layering brow gels is definitely a thing, so don't be afraid to go for it. Just make sure that your brows are dry between the steps. All right, guys, here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today and learned something new. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of this method, if this is something that you want to try, or if you have any questions at all about any of the techniques that I did, any of the products that I use, let me know in the comment section below. And as always, if you guys are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure that you're subscribed, because if you guys like videos like this, I will definitely make more. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!